Now, the students of Ali Public School will present a hadith.
Supplication to Allah is enough of worship. Is number 4. Man qala la ilaha illallah dakhala al-jannah. Whoever there is no God besides Allah will enter paradise. Hadith number 5. At-tuhur nisful iman. Cleanliness is half of faith. Hadith number 6. Al-muslimu aqul muslimi. A Muslim is a brother in faith to other Muslim. Hadith number 7. Man lam yasta'illah yaghzabu alayhi. Allah is displeased with him who does not invoke him for something. Hadith number 8. Al-Malimatu Ibadu Sadaqah. Saying good is an act of charity. Innamal a'malu binniyat. Action depends on intentions. Hadith number 10. Al-Muslimu mir'atul muslimi. A Muslim is mirror to other Muslims. Hadith number 11. Man sabata naja. Whoever maintains silence attains deliverance. Hadith number 12. Al-haya'u khayrun kullu modesty and showing respect. Hadith number 13. Kafara